Hi, it's Naomi from Timeshare Explorers with another Vacation Club Resort tour. Before I start this tour, I'd like to say a huge thank you to DVC Shop for sponsoring us here at Disney Vacation Club on Hilton Head Island, South Carolina. If you're looking to purchase or sell a DVC contract, rent points for a trip to a DVC property, or rent your points out, DVC Shop is your one-stop shop for all things DVC. Their channel, website, and Facebook page is linked in the description below. Starting in the lobby during our check-in process, which was very smooth and quick. The cast member, as expected, was extremely friendly and gave us all the info we might need for our stay. The lobby, while small, is not a place to gather. However, there is a cozy little room to the left, filled with a seating area, pool table, and photo booth. Straight ahead through the lobby is the bathroom and then an exit that takes you outside and shows you the beautiful view of the marshes that Hilton Head Island is known for. From the lobby, I'm going to jump to the back of the resort and we'll walk our way back to the front. Throughout the resort, you'll notice an amazing thing: silence. It's so quiet here, but just outside the resort, you can be right in the hustle and bustle of the island. It's really nice to feel so isolated, but you're really not at the same time. Throughout the resort, you'll find a lot of different table games and activities. You don't need to make any reservations, just go over and use them if they're free. There are a lot of bike racks too for your convenience. In the middle of the resort is the pool area, marketplace, and quick service. On the ground level, there are picnic tables, a sandy campfire area, and the entrance to the dock, which leads to the gazebo where you can have some fun fishing. Before we walk out onto the dock, let's check out the marketplace, which is located on the second floor. The marketplace is fully stocked with anything you might need or want, from toys, clothes, swimsuits for the kids, necessities, quick meal prep items, or some trading pins. This quaint shop has so much to choose from. To the dock, Walking down on this dock, you'll have such a beautiful view of the marshes that surround the back of the resort. The fishing is great too. Back to walking through the resort grounds, you'll notice there are lovely, comfy hammocks sprinkled all around the resort, all here for your enjoyment and relaxation. A short walk from the pool, there's a gated playground which looks updated and a lot of fun. Next to it, there's a sandy spot with quite a bit of seating. It looks like small plays or shows are put on here. As you can see here, there's a mini golf area, and the equipment is all located right nearby. Something really unique that I've come across here is the butterfly garden. It's a really beautiful little area with such pretty flowers and, of course, plenty of butterflies. Make sure you check out this spot while here. This is the last stretch of boardwalk. It's at the back of the resort, but leads you straight to the main lobby building. While walking along here, the silence is unreal. The only thing you can hear is coming from the random wildlife meandering around the marsh area. We get to see quite a variety of bird life. Well, that's it for this walking tour of Disney's Hilton Head Island Main Resort. Check out our 2 other videos of Disney's Vacation Club Hilton Head Island. There's a 1-bedroom room tour and the tour of the pool and beach house. If you like this video, please like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you're notified of all our new videos. Thanks for exploring with us.